Let's see if we could get this done in 60 seconds or less. Okay. For a bullish breaker structure, it's when we break above the last swing high. The last swing high is the last high before we cause the move down. I want to put it on the line chart so you can see a little bit better. We made this high here and then we move down. Once we get a candle that closes above this high before we move down, a close, not a wick, a close, that becomes the breaker structure. So this candle here would be considered our breaker structure if we were bullish, and if we were bearish, it would flip. We have to break above the last swing low that caused the move up. So look at here. Okay, let's go to the line chart again. This low here caused this move up. Once we get a candle that breaks below and closes, that would be our breaker structure. Okay, so this candle here would not be our breaker structure because this is a wick through. This candle here will be our breaker structure. And if you still have questions, join the Discord. It's free. The link's below.